Sir, now that you have given your resignation, then what's the point in me working here? Even I'll give my resignation letter to Miss Anushka.
You won't listen to me if I tell you not to. You can resign. Well, where is Anushka? There was supposed to be a meeting with the GM to remove me from the board of directors. I wonder where she is.
Hi, Siddhant.
Why aren't you in the office?
Why? Are you missing me, Siddhant Sinha?
Yes, I am missing you. I can't help it, I've become used to it, right? I keep looking at you from my cabin.
Then control your habits, Mr. Sinha, because I'll be a little late today. First, I'm going to meet Aunt Gayatri, and then I'll come to office from there.
Why are you going to meet Mom? Do you have some important work?
No, well, she seemed furious when I spoke to her last night. I thought of meeting her.
But I had told you not to. I had told you that I will speak to her first. Why are you getting involved?
So you don't get into this matter. Let me handle this, okay? Alright, I'll go and meet her.
I'll be right back.
But sir, what happened?
If Anushka reaches there before I do and Mom tells her everything in anger, then there'll be a huge problem. She should learn everything only from me. Anushka will stop trusting me once again if she learns it from someone else. And I can't take this chance this time.
KK, Reddy will surely get punished for whatever he has done with you. Siddhant won't spare him.
Anushka, wait.
You? What are you doing here?
Even I'm asking you the same. What are you doing here? I had told you that I would speak to her first.
Yes, but Aunt Gayatri was upset with me. I thought it might be something else. She has never been so angry with me.
She is not upset with you. She is upset with me. And I assure you that I'll fix everything.
But Siddhant, how will we get married? What is happening?
You trust me, don't you?
I trust you. 100%.
It's not the right time for you to meet Mom. Let me handle this, please.
Hey, what are you doing here? You had gone to office, right?
Yes, Mom, I had a small work. I am just leaving.
Whatever happened yesterday wasn't right. I don't know what Pura might be thinking about me. I must send her an apology.
I am sorry for yesterday, Purva. Please forgive me. Karthik, even I should also apologize to you, right? Whatever happened yesterday shouldn't happen again. Never. Karthik, Mom wishes to talk to you.
Sure, I'm coming. Hello, mother-in-law.
What proof do you have against Siddhant in Hira's murder?
We have found a CCTV footage in which Siddhant Sinha is seen entering Hira's room.
If you don't have, then create a proof.
I thought that he was working for you only. And I have also learned that he is going to get married to your daughter.
They are not getting married. Siddhant Sinha is a rat. He is trying to destroy KK's empire. And KK always punishes such people. Huh?
What do you want from me?
Siddhant must be accused of Hira's murder. All the evidence must be against him.
But how is this possible? There is no proof against Siddhant Sinha.
This is Siddhant's pen. Just say that it fell in the hotel room when he had gone to kill Hira over there. Huh? This is Prabhakar Sinha's resignation letter. And there are Siddhant's fingerprints on it. Even mine. But you must plant Siddhant Sinha's fingerprints in the hotel room. Did you find the murder weapon?
Yes, the one who went to kill Hira left the gun there.
Make sure that the gun has Siddhant Sinha's fingerprints on it.
That is all fine. But in any murder case, the thing that matters the most is the intention.
The intention is that since a long time Siddhant Sinha had his eyes on Krishnakant Reddy's property. That is why he got involved in the love affair with Anushka Reddy. But he also had an illegitimate relationship with Hira Sanyal. When Hira Sanyal got to know that Siddhant is about to get married to Anushka Reddy, she threatened Siddhant that she will tell Anushka about them. Siddhant doesn't like to lose such an opportunity. So that is why he killed Hira Sanyal. He murdered her. Now you leave and plant all these evidences. Huh? When KK will ask you, then go and arrest Siddhant.
Okay?
Even I need to apologize, Karthik. What happened yesterday should not be repeated. Never ever.
I'll call you later. What were you looking at?
Nothing. I was just checking your phone. I'm planning to gift you a new phone. Is everything all right? I hope there's nothing to worry about.
No, everything is all right.
I was thinking that I should visit Aunt Gayatri once. It's been long. And I'll also meet Purva.
Nupur, how did you get reminded of them all of a sudden?
Just like that. Aunt Gayatri had helped us when we got married. I think that at least I should visit her once.
Nupur, there is no need to do that. I'm going to the office. We'll talk when I come back.
It is good that you did not let Miss Anushka meet Miss Gayatri. Otherwise, it would have been a mess.
But it won't go on for long, Mr. Sweetie. We'll have to tell this truth to Anushka someday or the other, right?
What do men think of themselves? They never want to listen to anyone.
Hey, what happened?
I proposed the idea of extending maternity leaves to the board of directors, but no one considered it. I am the only woman in the board. I don't have any support. In fact, no one was ready to approve your relieving letter. I was so annoyed and somehow got your relieving letter signed, Mr. Sinha. Here. Okay, I'll take your leave now.
Listen. So today you fought for me like a wife. Thank you.
What did you say? Repeat what you said about being a wife? Well, you mellowed down my anger.
Okay, now leave. This is office. You need to consider the limitations here.
Miss Anushka's love is overflowing all the time. She has been containing it. A lot of it had been accumulated.
Mr. Sweetie, concentrate on your work.
What work, sir? Sweetie has already typed his resignation letter. And you are talking about work.
We are free from today, Mr. Sweetie. We don't work for anyone now. And our ethics cannot stop us from destroying Krishnakant Reddy. He wanted to spend 300 crores on his daughter's wedding, right? Keep your checkbook ready, Mr. Reddy. We are coming.
But sir, what will you do with 300 crores? I don't even know how to spend 300 crores. How much are 300 crores?
We'll do something, Mr. Sweetie. We'll definitely do something. Mr. Paresh, how are you?
I'm fine. You called after so long, Mr. Siddhant.
Mr. Paresh, what if I give you an inside information about Reddy Corporation? Like, they have taken kickbacks on the new deal. Will you be able to drop their value of the stocks by 300 crores?
Yes, rumors do lead to the rise and fall of the market. This is possible. But you need to be sure of the news, Mr. Siddhant. Otherwise, I won't be able to do anything. I can also be jailed for such rumors.
Who will send you to jail, Mr. Paresh? Siddhant Sinha is giving a guarantee. But will you be able to do it?
Siddhant? You promise that you will not resort to such means.
Mr. Paresh, I'll call you later.
Mr. Siddhant, but what's the news?
Even I don't want to do all this. But what to do? What would you do in this situation?
We always have a solution within us, Siddhant. We keep looking around for it. Or we choose the easy way. Just think about it. Recall the conversations you have had in the last few days. Maybe you will find a way.
I proposed the idea of extending maternity leaves to the board of directors, but no one considered it. I'm the only woman in the board of directors. I don't have any support.
I found it. But I'll have to thank Anushka for all this. After all, it is her idea. Your name?
Sujata.
Okay.
Doctor has asked me rest for a longer time. I asked them to extend my leaves and manager gave me a relieving letter.
Do you have that letter?
Yes. Here, have it. Thank you. Don't worry at all. Everything will be all right. Reddy Corporation will have to accept their mistake. They can't take away your rights so easily. Here, have it. Be sure that everyone gets justice.
Please sit down.
Mom. I was thinking of buying some clothes for the wedding. We'll have to do all the rituals, right? And we'll have to give the gifts as well. If you come along, then...
I have answered this before, Siddhant. I told you, don't expect anything from me.
Brother, what happened to Mom? Why is she not happy with your marriage?
I'm also getting married like a revolutionary. She's not happy with that. And she thinks that people of equal status should get married. What are you thinking about?
Nothing, brother. Don't think too much about it. I have heard that no mother accepts her son's love marriage happily. Every mother wants to select her daughter-in-law on her own. But I think that Mom doesn't remember that her daughter-in-law is Anushka. And don't worry about the shopping at all. I'm here. I'll come with you. You just tell me the budget.
Thank you.
This is a very beautiful sari. It will look very pretty on you. We have one of the best collections of saris. This is the best shop in the market.
What is it? Why are you smiling so much?
I'm having fun shopping like a wife.
Love has made me useless. Well, I used to be a useful person. You get so romantic every time nowadays.
Why? Why shouldn't I do that? Well, I'm getting married. It's a love marriage. This one is beautiful, isn't it? Let's buy this one.
Okay.
Sir, how much is this brooch for? I can't wear all this. I can't sacrifice so much.
In fact, none of us should wear any of these clothes, Mom. We'll become the laughing stock in front of the media and everyone.
But this is a ritual, son. When we know that the wedding would be very simple, then there is no point discussing over it anymore. And anyway, we don't have to wear these clothes every day. We just have to wear them once and go to Siddhant's place. Come on. This is the least we can do for Anushka.
All right, we'll wear it.
Hey guys, am I late?
Not an issue. Take these. Your clothes. Go, change it.
Wow.
What's the matter? You got a brooch too? Perhaps Siddhant has specially sent it for you.
But we didn't buy this. Oh, I think Purva must have bought it.
Okay, bye Karthik.
Bye, Purva.
Karthik, shall I tell you something?
Yes, tell me.
The brooch looks really good on you. It suits you.
I'll go and change. It's a matter of a woman employee, sir. Such issues are very sensitive nowadays. The press and the media leave all the other matters and link such issues with the respect of women. But if you say I'm ready to answer the notice sent by Mr. Siddhant Sinha, we'll find a way out somehow.
We should always choose our war. KK has no time for such petty brawls. He has no time. We might have to suffer because of this, but we must protect the respect of the women. Use the power of money and move on.
Sir, Siddhant is being too bold now. Because we don't do anything, he thinks that we are weak.
I told the inspector to do something in Hira's murder case. What happened about it?
Sir, all the evidences are ready. You say, sir.
No. Wait for now. Not now. That is my trump card. I'll tell you when the time is right.
KK, we have to go to Siddhant's house for a ritual. Go and change.
Which ritual?
Dad, did you forget?
No, not at all. I will go and get ready. I will get ready earlier than you do.
Here you go. Siddhant has sent this for you.
I'll get ready and come.
Riddhi has asked me to specially congratulate you, Siddhant. Actually, she couldn't come as she had to go to the US for her father's treatment.
Oh, thank you. I'm sure that Mr. Sudhanshu will recover soon.
Yeah.
You guys please come in.
Where is Gayatri?
Mom has gone to the temple.
Yes, she thought of performing a special veneration. This is an important day for her.
Then we can wait for her. Once she returns, we'll start the ritual.
No, I think we should start. The priest is here. He will conduct all the rituals. Priest, can we start now?
The auspicious time has begun.
But without Gayatri,
If Siddhant is here, then let us start. Miss Gayatri will join us later.
You are looking good.
Thank you.
The boy has chosen the girl by making her wear a ring. Now it is your turn. Who's the bride? Your family members want you to marry this boy. Do you agree?
What kind of a question is this, sir? It was really difficult to convince her. She can change her mind even now.
And why would I do that? Priest, I want to marry Siddhant Sinha.
Perfect. The girl has given her consent. So now, one of the family members from the girl's side will wash the groom's feet and request him to become their son-in-law and to accept the girl as his wife. Actually, according to the ritual, this is done by the girl's father. But we won't ask you to do it. One man from your family who is willing to do it, please come forward.
Let this ritual be, priest. I wouldn't want anyone to come and touch my feet.
When you had to decide which rituals have to be performed and which rituals shouldn't be performed, then why did you call me? Whatever I am saying is absolutely right, and the ritual should be followed like this. Please respect the rituals which had been made after thorough consideration.
I am her elder brother, so I should do this ritual. Priest, I'll do it.
No. If according to the ritual, the girl's father washes the groom's feet, then I shall do it. KK will do anything for Anushka. And now Siddhant is going to become my son-in-law. Then what is there to think about?
I would have never made my father-in-law to wash my feet, KK. But you are my father's murderer. I feel so happy by humiliating you. Today is a very special day for me. I will never forget it.
Thank you so much, Dad. You are the best father in this world.
Even my father was no less than anyone. And today I am missing him a lot.
Even I am missing Prabhakar uncle a lot. I wish he was with us today to bless us.
Priest, KK has fulfilled his duty. If you permit me, then KK will leave for some important work. Please complete this ritual.
Yes, KK, you can go now. Am I right, priest?
Yes, of course he can leave.
stay over here. Leave with the others.
Okay, sir.
Sir, to the office.
No, I have to go somewhere else. Start the car, I'll tell you. When I did not see you at home, then I understood that you are not happy with this marriage. It seems that Siddhant has told you everything. It is good. KK will not have to explain it to you now. So, the matter is that the way you are unhappy with this marriage, even KK does not want this marriage to take place. But if Siddhant won't listen to anyone, then even Anushka is the same. I have promised to Anushka. Now there is only one way. Anushka will come to the wedding dais, but Siddhant should not come there. Make Siddhant understand that. Because if he reaches the wedding dais, then KK will kill him the way he murdered Prabhakar.
You are standing in a temple, KK. Be happy. Be happy that Siddhant is not here. If he had heard you threatening me like this, then he would have definitely flayed you alive.
That is good. Go and tell your son that if he tries to damage KK's reputation, then after that, neither will he ever get married to Anushka, nor will he even be alive.
Ma'am, be careful. Why? Do you want to die?
Let's go to Lajpat Nagar. Come on.
From the moment I came to know about your relationship, I have been thinking, how did all of this happen?
What do you mean?
I mean, how did you fall in love with brother? The Siddhant Sinha I know is so grumpy, filled with attitude and very unromantic. I don't even think that anyone could fall for him.
Right. Even I keep on thinking that how I fell for such a man.
Why are you saying such things to my sister?
Was I wrong? Do you ever say anything romantic?
You have been asking too many questions lately. Go and mind your business. And Anushka, I think that you should also leave now. We'll meet tomorrow.
Let her stay if she wants to. She wants to spend some time with you and you are asking her to leave.
Hey, don't you understand what I'm saying? Go upstairs.
Stop. Reverse auto.
Shall we?
If you will hold me my hand to lead me, then I will be ready to go anywhere with you. I know, Aunt, that you're upset with me. But the other day, the situation was adverse. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me, Aunt.
Mom,
What's the matter, Aunt? What have I done? Why are you so angry with me?
Go and ask.
If he tries to damage KK's reputation, then neither will he get married to Anushka, nor will he even be alive.
No, I can't say this in front of Siddhant. If he gets angry, then he will go on a rampage. And that's what KK wants.
Mom. Mom. You told me that I shouldn't hope that you would participate in the wedding. You said that you wouldn't participate in any ritual. But you still sent Anushka home crying. She adores you, Mom. She also respects you, Mom. Mom, what happened? Why are you looking so scared?
You... please don't get married to Anushka.
Mom, please don't be so adamant. I've taken this decision after deliberating a lot. I've decided to be with her. Now I can't leave her, Mom.
Siddhant, please listen to me. I listen to what I'm not saying. Please listen to that. That KK Reddy is a dangerous man, Siddhant. He can do anything. He will do anything. He didn't think twice before killing his friend, Siddhant. He didn't think about the innocent lives before getting that plane crashed. He can do anything. Siddhant, a mother fears for her child's life more than anything. Please don't get married to her.
Mom, what happened to you suddenly? Why are you thinking so much? Mom, did someone say something to you? Mom, tell me the truth. Did anyone say something?
No one said anything. I'm saying that you won't marry Anushka.
Even I'm saying, Mom, that after great difficulty, I have realized that this is the right path. Now, please don't stop me from taking the right path.
I have already said that you will not go to the wedding. That's the final decision.
But your fear is baseless, Mom. Nothing will happen to me.
Gayatri disconnected the call again. She's behaving strangely. Her son is going to be married to her daughter, and she hasn't talked with us at all.
You are right, Mom. In fact, even Siddhant has been behaving strangely at the office. And you know that he has resigned from the Reddy Corporation?
What?
Yes.
Has he resigned? When?
Anu, Siddhant has resigned from the Reddy Corporation.
Yes.
But why, Anushka? he's now going to marry you. Then why did he do all this?
Exactly. He did it because he's going to marry me. And he doesn't want to work in his father-in-law's company. He wants to do something on his own. And I'm really happy with this decision, brother. I'm really proud of him.
Anu, he has left the job now. Then how will he take care of the household expenses? And do you think that any other company will give him a salary as much as we do? It will be difficult, Anushka. And will you be able to live in such conditions?
The first thing is that I love Siddhant a lot. So I'll manage to live with him in any condition, Karthik. And the second thing is that I won't change just because I'm getting married. I'll still remain the same Anushka Reddy. That Anushka Reddy, who is one of the board of directors of Reddy Corporation. That Anushka Reddy, who is the general manager of Reddy Pharmaceuticals and the HR head as well. Well, I trust implicitly that Siddhant will prove his mettle. But still, if such a situation is created, then I'm there to support him.
Now that's like my daughter. You and Siddhant should stay like this forever, like partners.
Well, I'll go to my room now.
Watch your favorite dramas on DRM Drama and don't forget to subscribe.